Ayo, we are back on another episode of the Cooked Goose. Get ready for today with an awesome herb chicken skewer recipe.
Hey everybody, how we doing? I know it's been a 2-week hiatus on the Cooked Goose, but I am back and ready to teach you and make you feel confident in the kitchen. Especially for today, we are going to make herb chicken skewers with some vegetables as well as just an easy garden salad. All right, and I have been missing it a lot, I know, but I need to get back on it for you guys and express to you how I feel about my food, as well as, again, making you feel confident in the kitchen. All right, like I always say, let's get into it.
For this recipe, we're going to use red onion. First, you want to cut the whole red onion in half, then cut into quarters. That will actually give you a really nice size of red onion for the skewers to go through when you're putting on the chicken as well as the peppers. Now moving on to the pepper. Cut the top off first, then take out the insides, then cut the pepper into quarters, lay down each side on the bottom of the board, then fillet the actual white part of the pepper. Now that the veggies are cut, liberally put on olive oil as well as balsamic vinegar, and then just a touch of salt and pepper. This really adds to the flavor of the veggies. Okay, now for the chicken. This calls for 3 boneless, skinless chicken tenders. Make sure you cut them into bite-sized pieces. First, take the tenderloin, cut down the middle, and then cut into cubes like so. This marinade I whipped up myself, and it is so good. Definitely will impress your guest when eating.
All right, now that I have all my cut chicken into a bowl, it's seasoning time. So of course you want to start off with a little olive oil. I actually like to put a lot on, so it's about a good couple seconds, like so. Then, of course, to make it that nice tart and tang, gotta put the balsamic on. Go. Once we have that, now we can add our crushed red pepper. Get that nice little kick. I love to have a nice little kick, especially with skewers. It's really, really good. And then, of course, add a little salt. Now onto some pepper. Then of course we need to have some oregano, background flavor. I'll just use about good, well, let's say a teaspoon, tablespoon, depending on how you like it. And then a little thyme. Little thyme. There we go. That 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, depending on your preference. And 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon for your preference as well. Then some basil, and I just added parsley previously to that. And then, of course, you got to have minced garlic. Nice little garlic flavor in there. I'd say about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Then just to have all that acidic from the garlic and as well as the balsamic, little dash of honey will actually kind of kill that acidity or acid flavor. Just a little bit to kind of ease it off, make it sweet too. Really helps with that. Now we mix. Here we go. And of course, you can leave this in the fridge for about, I'd say an hour or so. You can leave it a whole night. You can do it for 6 to 8 hours. Wow, that smells really good. I'm gonna add just a little touch more olive oil. Definitely add a little more pepper. Love me pepper. Love me some pepper. You can definitely smell that honey with that balsamic. It's going to be really great and sweet. Oh man. There we go. Alright. Boom, just like that. Okay.
Now, when finished cutting the chicken and marinating as well as the veggies, make sure you have the station set up like this. Your skewers as well as your cutting board down in front of you, and then your 2 veggies and your chicken in front. Now, for the skewer, start off with your chicken, then 3 different veggies, and then chicken. Or, just depending on how you like it, you could do all chicken, 2 pieces of chicken, then 2 pieces of veggies, depending on how you like it. Now it's grilling time. Lay on your grill about medium high to high. Make sure that the grill's nice and hot. Good caramelization to the chicken, especially with that honey. Make sure you are turning the chicken and the skewers about every 5 to 10 minutes. This will give a good even char and the caramelization will come through. Man, look at that. That looks so good. Oh gosh, I cannot wait to eat this.
Wow, okay. This looks amazing. Man, you can definitely smell the honey and the balsamic in there. Homemade saffron rice, which I will put in the link below to give you that recipe with that great color with the red and the orange. All right, let's get into it. Let's see here, got some of the veggies. All right, got a little veggie action. Like a nice, tender chicken. Oh yeah. The honey, the nice kick of the crushed red pepper. You can definitely serve this. Oh man. Serve this with like Greek yogurt with some pita. Would be really great. Here. That rice is really good. Definitely don't have any drinks today, but do it with a light beer. Definitely a red, nice, bold wine like a Pinot Noir or a Cab Sauv would be great with this. And also too, just a nice, like simple salad, like I said, and I will definitely put that in the description below. Unfortunately, we did not pair it up today, but the colors have been really great, which I wanted to show you guys and kind of do the right plating. But yeah, I think that wraps up everything. Please comment, like, and subscribe on The Cooked Goose. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and remember to always stay hungry.